Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Rosy World. We are going to dress up our favorite sisters. This book comes with beautiful different kinds of outfits. Let's start off with Anna. Her first outfit is formal. Here's the bottom. Put this beautiful dress right on her. Look at this glittery shimmery top. This goes up on the top. We need some shoes for her. Now for Elsa, stick this beautiful dress on her. Let's give her a necklace. Kristoff is really underdressed, so let's give him a nice outfit. We are going to need some shoes. Shall we go for a walk? Let's go for a walk. This time, they're all in the library. Let's dress them up with comfy outfits. I think Anna's green dress goes well with her green shoes. Kristoff is not that bad in this underdress, but I'm gonna make him better. Look at this purple dress and a cape for Elsa. We just need to add her snow boots. I love this holographic details of this dress. Fits her perfectly. As you can see, she definitely needs a pair of shoes. Let's take a look at her warmer option outfit that comes with this purple cape. I'm so happy we can put Olaf and Sven here. Olaf! Sven! Hi Bernie! Hi there! Water knock! Water knock! Water knock is the most impressive in Frozen 2. This is the closer look of her outfit. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. Also give her her beautiful crown. They are perfectly ready for Anna's coronation. Look what we've got here. I love this dress the most. We have a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous blue dress. Let's take a closer look at her dress again.